It was like finding my soulmate only to realize you're not meant to be together for a long time. Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you my experience with vitamin C. I have been using vitamin C for more than 1 year, and when I started using vitamin C, my skin used to be really bad. I had acne spots, my skin became really dry and dehydrated, and I had this on and off acne attacks, everything. Then I started using Klairs vitamin C. It really made my skin look good. My skin became healthy over time, and there are people who experience like irritation when they start with vitamin C. I didn't have any irritation. It never broke me out. It never gave me any mild irritation or any skin trouble. It was good. It was a perfect relationship, and I thought I got my soulmate. I'm like settled for life. This is one serum I'm gonna use for the rest of my life. Initially, I used vitamin C serum both during the day and night. Then I started using it during the day only, and I used sunscreen with that. So fast forward 3 months back, what I realized, my skin has become extremely dry. There are times I used two moisturizers with facial oils, still my face felt dehydrated, dull. It was bad, and I did everything. I used skincare with glycerin, sodium hyaluronate just to compensate the water loss. Then I used like nourishing moisturizers and serums, and I washed my face once in a day. I used mild cleanser for that, but still it got dry. So I was confused, like why it is happening. So what I started doing, I decided to cut things off which I had been using for a long time, just to see if with long term of usage they are reacting on my skin. First I cut off niacinamide, then I cut off my ginseng serum, then I cut off vitamin C, and my skin started feeling better. It was more healthy, and it was just less dry and dehydrated, and I was in the state of disbelief because vitamin C, it saved my skin. Like, how it can be? So I thought, okay, maybe Klairs vitamin C serum, it has essential oils which might turn our skin sensitive and dry. I decided to cut the serum off and wanted to try a different serum without essential oils. So I started using Purito vitamin C serum. It has 10% vitamin C. Initially for 10 to 15 days it was good. Then again I had this drying issue. My skin again started feeling extremely dry, like it almost about to peel off, this kind of dry and dehydrated. So I came to conclusion that vitamin C serums, generally they are making my skin dry. I don't know it is just me or it happened to other people. If you face this kind of issue, let me know in the comment box. And I was really in the state of disbelief because this is one serum that helped me a lot. And I really wanted to continue using this serum. But eventually it is making my skin dry, and now I'm using niacinamide and chemical exfoliations, and my skin is way better. It is more like hydrated, less dry, and my skin has become dry over the time because I used wrong ingredients throughout my college life and university days. So it was not like that, okay, it was like very oily then it became dry. No, it used to be dry, but it became drier and drier with long term use of vitamin C. And it is just, I don't think I'm going to use vitamin C serum again. I want to use retinol, then I want to use niacinamide and chemical exfoliations. They work better for me. And initially vitamin C serum, it really improved my skin's condition. But then what happened? I want to clarify one thing. Many people make DIY vitamin C serum. It is not good. You should leave this thing to well experienced formulator to make your vitamin C serum, because I have seen internet is overloaded with this DIY recipe. It is gonna harm your skin. Don't do it. Skincare takes years of experience, years of knowledge to how to put these ingredients together. It's not only about having these ingredients, it's about how to put this together, how to formulate it. Because I can have 5 ingredients and a chef can have 5 ingredients to cook, but our dishes would be different because of the experience, because of the knowledge. Why you are taking chance with your skincare? Don't do DIY when it comes to serum and creams. It is very irresponsible. Even the people who teach you to do that, this is not good. Maybe for like initial months they might feel good, but your skin will turn bad eventually. So please do yourself a favor, don't make this DIY vitamin C serum. It's not good. And those videos, I think they are just for views and just to exploit your trust. I mean, the people who do it, they should be ashamed. It is not same as DIY face mask, because face mask you are going to wash it off in like 1 hour maximum, but this serum, these creams, they're going to stay on your skin for a longer period of time. So please don't do this. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you found my video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and let me know your experience with vitamin C serum, if it works for you really good, but for me it's not working anymore. See you very soon. Bye bye.